All you need to know for these two problems is simply going to be your Pythagorean identities. If you know these two identities, you can do these really, really quickly. And that's all I tell my students to do, is know your Pythagorean identities. So in this case, you can see that I have a secant squared of x minus 1. Well, here's the Pythagorean identity we mostly understand or remember. But if I just subtract a 1 on both sides, I can see secant squared of x is equal to a tangent, or minus 1, then that's going to be equal to a tangent squared. So then I'm left with a cosine of x times a tangent squared of x. Now I can rewrite tangent squared as sine over cosine. Therefore, the cosines are going to divide out. Let's just actually go and do it so you can see. So I can rewrite this as a sine squared of x over a cosine squared of x. Those are going to divide out, leave me just with a sine squared of x. Now over here, my goal here is to get a sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. Remember, you can rearrange that to cosine squared plus sine squared, right? Addition is going to be putative. We're going to be good there. The problem is here I have all these subtractions. Now, what I want you to think about is, well, what about if I factor out a -1? If I factor out a -1, I get a cosine squared of x plus a sine squared of x. And now you can see cosine squared plus sine squared, it's the same thing as sine squared plus cosine squared. That's going to equal to 1. 1 times -1 is just -1.